Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Juli Zapata, but my friends call me Juli. So today I'm gonna be trying out the DESI x KATY palette with Dose of colors. I just got it today. I also got their lip gloss. When they announced that they were gonna have a second collection, I was really excited. But then when they showed the products, I wasn't like super shook, and I didn't feel the need to buy everything. But today I went to Ulta, so they had the collection at Ulta, and I wanted to just go check it out and see maybe if something stood out to me and I like really wanted it. They were actually sold out of almost everything except for the Fuego highlighter, which I already have, so I didn't get a second one. I have it right here. And then they also had the palette, which I got, and then they also had the over-the-top lip gloss. I really did want the lip gloss, so I was really happy that they had it. This was the last one, so I was shook when I saw it and I snatched it right away. And then I did see the palette in person and I really liked it, so I also purchased that. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. There are 10 eyeshadows, and this was, I believe, $54. Dacia palettes are $42, and you get all these shades. So you get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So you get 14 shades for $42. Same thing with like the Huda one. You get like all these shades, and I believe this was like $60. So it is more on like the pricier side, but the quality of Dose of color eyeshadows are really good, so you're kind of like, I don't know, it's up to you. It's so pretty. It's literally so pretty. Like these colors, the glitters are so pretty. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. I bought this little headband today and I thought it'd be cute, you know, it's like tropical, so it fits the vibe, I guess. FRIENDCATION, okay? It's called the FRIENDCATION palette. Like I thought tropical vibes, like I don't know. So I just went ahead and did my eyebrows, and I also primed my eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape. This is what I use every single time that I'm gonna do eyeshadow. And then now we can go in with the palette. So I'm using the color Basic to set the concealer on my eyelid. And I'm using the Wet n Wild, just like this blending brush I got. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to go in with this brown shade over here. This is Churro. I love churros. There's like no fallout, seriously, like no fallout at all, which we love. I'm honestly not like a makeup artist, not like the best at makeup, but we're still here, so I'm just gonna go in with this. I have no idea what I'm doing, honestly, but whatever. I feel like all I could say is like soft and blendable. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with this shade right here in the middle. It's called Girl Bye, and I'm gonna concentrate that more on the crease. Alright, so I'm just concentrating this on like the outer edge of my eye, I guess. I'm just kind of creating a little V. So it's going into my crease and then just kind of like this outer area. I'm not the best at makeup, but I'm trying. I could definitely tell that these eyeshadows are very blendable and smooth. They're just like gliding on very beautifully. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in with this shade over here. This is called Try Me, and I'm just gonna use a flat brush and I'm going to place that right in the middle of my lid. Alright, I'm actually going to try and wet my brush and see if that makes any much of a difference. So it is applying very nicely as it is, but I just want to try with the wet brush. So it's actually making the color, I feel like, a little bit more intense, which is nice to have like the option to. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do my foundation and my face makeup, and then I'll come back on to finish up the eyes and then also try out the lip gloss. Alright, so I did do most of my makeup. I did my foundation, concealer, lashes, all of that. And now I'm just going to go in and finish off the eyes. So I'm just going to take this little brush that came with my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to use a smaller end of the brush. And basically I'm just going to do what I did to the top of my lid to my bottom lash line. So I'm going to go in with the shade Churro. And I'm just gonna, like, you know, I suck at explaining what I'm doing, like I really do. So all I can say is watch. Alright, so I'm going in with the shade Churro, and I'm just gonna run it, you know. It's literally 1:17 a.m. right now, and I have class tomorrow morning. Well, I have class today, I guess, in a few hours. I'm also gonna go in with the color Girl Bye, and I'm gonna do the same thing. Just run it underneath my lash line. Okay, now I'm just gonna highlight my face. This is the Fuego highlighter by DESI and KATY, which I have from their last collection, and I really love this highlight. And then I'm also using this for my inner corner. Now I'm gonna try out the lip gloss that I got. I'm so excited. All I did was line my lips with a nude lip liner, and I'm just gonna put this on top. Oh my god. This is so pretty. I hate lip glosses with brushes, so I like how this one is like the little sponge. So I also really like how this lip gloss is clear, because you can layer it on top of anything and it's not going to change the color. It's basically just going to add glitters, and then also I feel like this would be very pretty on its own. So this is the finished look. I really like how it turned out. I also really love the palette. I definitely 10 out of 10 recommend. I think it's worth it. I think the shadows are great quality. They're very smooth. They're blendable. I'm honestly not the best at eyeshadow, so if I could do it, you guys could definitely do it as well. And I honestly, like, I just really love, I love it. It's so pretty. It's literally so beautiful. I love it. I love it. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos coming soon. I have a lot of ideas and a lot of fun stuff that I want to do, so subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.